Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I put snacks together for my son when he has friends coming over for play dates. Comes home with his friends, I like to just set everything up so that way they can just come and pick and munch as they play instead of just putting a bowl of something down that probably they will never eat. I just like to set up everything and just let them help themselves. All right, let's go. I have some of those pocky sticks, chocolate pocky sticks. My son loves those. I did not know anything about those, and he's the one who, we went to the supermarket and then he asked for these. So I just arrange it so they can just come in and eat as they like. So I also have some cookies and cream ones also. Some pita chips. But even if they're kids, I still like to make sure that they have some healthy stuff in between and not just all the sweets. One of my son's favorite snacks to have are the seaweed snacks. And these are chili lime. He loves the chili lime seaweed snacks and the teriyaki seaweed snacks. I love to put some cheeses. I have sharp cheddar. I have smoked Gouda and Monster cheese and jalapeno jack. So I just give them a variety because I'm not sure what the other kids like. So I know my son loves the jalapeno and the cheddar. So a little of each. So all the kids will get something that they like on here. I'm going to put in a bowl of blueberries. Peppermint bark, which my son loves. And of course, you know how much the kids love the candy. So I have some peach rings over here. I'm going to add some prunes to this. So that way they get the sweet, but they also get the healthy fibers from the prunes. Blueberry pastry crisp over here. Goldfish. Most kids like goldfish, so you can never go wrong. That's it. This is how simple this was. So his friends are coming over. I just put this together quickly. So I'm just going to lay it out over here and just let them come in as they're running around, come in and they can just grab what they want, play in, they can have fun without feeling that they're stuck or they're just sit in one place. I'm going to put out some waters and some juices for them. When they get here, that's still in the refrigerator. So when they get here, I'm going to pull those out and just lay it out on the side for them. So basically, this was just easy and simple. And as I said, if you have kids, moms, you have kids, this is inexpensive. Most of these snacks we already had in our pantry, so I did not have to go out and get anything because school is already back on. We already had all of the snacks in the pantry. So as his friends are coming over, I just pulled everything out, opened everything up, and just, instead of just giving each kid a pack of goldfish, just lay it out nicely for them, just to make them feel special, make them feel that you put the extra little thought into making sure that they're having fun, making sure that they're taken care of, and they're just not coming over, you know, and they're not being taken care of. Just put this together, and as I said earlier, you do not need anything fancy or a fancy board like this one. You can just put it out on plates for them. You can use a paper plate and arrange each one individually, like make them their own little individual boards on paper plates or plates you have in your cupboards that you're using. If you like for me to show you how to make individual ones for each kid if they come over to play, or when you have parties and where there are kids, if you can make the individual plates for them. So if you want me to show you how to do that, please comment in the section below, and I'll be more than happy to share that with you. And as I said, it's just putting the extra thought into your kids, just putting the extra thought into, they're also part of the family, they're also important, they're also being taken care of. So when I put this out for my son and his friends come over and he sees it, he'll just be really happy and surprised and happy to know that his friends will be happy when they come over to play. So it's simple, inexpensive. It can be anything that you already have laying in your pantry. All pantries with kids will have goldfish. All pantries with kids will have those pastry. Those are the little Kellogg's pastry, blueberry pastry crisp. And your cheeses that will be in your fridge. You have a block of cheese, you can just cut it up in cubes, lay it out for them. That's it, very simple. You have a pack of candy, they have goldfish, anything they have candy, they have those little gummy bears, the little gummy worms. You can just put it on there and just make it look nice and presentable for them, make them feel important. And then you have fruits, you can use strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, apples. Simple, very inexpensive. As I said, moms, this channel is about learning and teaching you different those tricks. So if this is helpful, please let me know. All right, guys, again, thank you so much for joining me, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And see you in the next one. Thank you, guys. Bye.